Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by giving Google the signals it needs. Enable location and web and app activity so surveys can match your movements and interests. Once done, open Google Opinion Rewards and update to the latest version, then allow notifications. Surveys arrive as prompts. Make sure you use your primary Google account and keep Play Store payment info present. Surveys often target active shoppers. These setup steps increase your eligibility quickly because Google prioritizes accounts with consistent location and activity data. Now focus on predictable behaviors that trigger surveys. Frequent certain apps, search topics, and visit diverse stores and venues, grocery, coffee, transit hubs, to generate location-based questionnaires. Once you maintain consistent activity, Google's model starts matching you to relevant surveys more often, so answer quickly and honestly. That improves your profile and boosts future invite rates. Also, limit ad blockers and clear conflicting account data across devices, because mixed signals reduce matching accuracy, and finish by monitoring performance. Check your rewards history and notification settings weekly to spot patterns in invite timing and topics. If your invites drop for more than 48 hours, toggle location and activity off then on to refresh signals, and make small changes to your routine to re-trigger matching. If surveys or rewards vanish, reinstall the app and sign in again. If problems persist, contact Google support. One key troubleshooting tip: test on a secondary device to see if account or device settings are the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.